Those stories, I'm a fool for your love.
Welcome back to HTML series. In this video we are going to cover HTML table. So let's start by creating new file. Save this file as .html extension. Okay, so we know that just by entering the exclamation and tab we get the boilerplate of our code. That is the feature of VS Code. Then okay, so now we are all set to start the coding. So let's go inside the body and write the table tag. Table is the tag provided inside the HTML, which is basically used for tables. TR is table row tag. So for inside the table, for first row we use first TR tag, opening and closing. Then inside that TR we want roll number, and we will enclose the roll number in TH. TH stands for table heading. Okay, so TH will specify the table heading, which will be in the first row because it's in the first TR only. Then name and marks will be also in first row because they are in first TR. Okay, so inside the second TR, let's say again take another table headings. Before taking, let's take a look at this one. Okay, so this is how our page is looking right now. Roll number, names and marks. Okay, so go back to code. Inside the table, for example, we want the border for the table. So what we will do is table style width 100%. Okay, so the border, we want the border for the table. Then for specifying the border, we can specify the border size 1px. Then let's save it and refresh it. So here we can check out the change in width. The width of table has become 100%. Now let's try to give the color to the border. Our border will be, let's say, solid, and it will be black, and size of border will be 2 pixels. Okay, so let's go back to browser. Inside the browser, let's refresh so we can check out the browser. Okay, so inside the second row, in second TR tag, let's say we want another headings. So if we want the heading as let's say TH, inside this TH what we want, roll number of first student is 01. Then let's say the name of first student, which will be suppose Kiran. Then the marks of the Kiran are, let's say, 90. Then let's take the third row. Inside the third row, let's say the roll number of student is 2. Then the name of student is Ram, let's say. Then the marks of Ram is 98, let's say. Then let's take the third row inside the table, and inside the third row in first table heading tag, I don't know why I'm taking table headings. I will change it later because the table headings must be inside the first row only, and other table rows must contain table data, but it's okay. So the third student is Ravi, and his marks, let's say, are 56. Now save the code and go back to our HTML document. So yes, this is now This is how we can see our table displayed. And as we have done all the headings, so all are in the bold style because we have made all the elements as table headings. Let's now go and change the table headings of the rows except first. Before that, let me change the border style. Let me make solid to dashed, and let me show you how dashed looks. Yes, so this is how dashed border size looks, border style looks. Okay, now go back to code. So for example, we want to give the border to the table row, then we can give style border, then solid black 1px, control S, and let's go back to browser, refresh. Okay, so we are not able to see the border of the table row. Okay, so we will see that when the CSS comes, what is the problem and how to avoid it. But now let's focus on the table. So we know that inside the table there are table rows, inside the table rows there are table headings and table data also. So let me first change the table heading tag to the table data for all the rows except first one. Okay, so to do that, let me control F the th so that we can find all the th tags inside the document. To find all, we must click over here and replace all. Okay, now replace all, and yes, this thing has changed all th to tds. Now for first row we want headings. Okay, right, so that's why we will take th for first row, th, for name also th, for marks also we want th. Okay, so let's save and go to browser and refresh. Okay, so now our table is looking sorted, headings are bold and the data is looking simple and sweet. So this is how we have finished our table tag and the style attribute we used for table. Let me remove the style and let me refresh, and this is how our table looks without any styling. Okay, so let me go back to code. Okay, so this is the very basic syntax of table. We will see the advanced table in our next video, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. And for the code and academic material, you can check out the link in description. So hope to see you in next video. Till then, happy coding. Do subscribe. Bye.